Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. Today I am going to share how to make the restaurant style gobi 65 or the crispy gobi fry at home easily. So make sure you watch the video till the end without missing any part. Before going into the video, make sure you click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon so that you will get the notification immediately as soon as I upload my new videos. So to begin with, here I have taken around half kg of cauliflower or gobi and cut them into medium sized pieces. You can see the piece how I have cut here. Okay, to this let us add some hot boiling water. Okay, this is boiled water. We have to add to the cauliflower or the gobi and rest it for 10 minutes so that if any small any insects or any something is there, it will get rid of it. So meanwhile, let's make a preparation for our marination. So here I have taken 2 spoons of thick curd or yogurt. To that, half teaspoon turmeric powder and some red chili powder. You can adjust to your taste the red chili powder here. Then goes in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Lightly mix them. Now to this I am adding half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Okay, now let's mix everything together. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you click the subscribe button. Okay, now our gobis have been resting for 10 minutes now. So now let's strain all the water. Okay, now we have to mix this, add this gobis to our prepared masala or the spices we prepared earlier. Okay, don't keep the gobis for long in the hot water, just 5 to 10 minutes is fine. And now let's mix everything. It is all our gobi should get nicely coated with the masala mixture here. And we have to rest it for around 20 minutes. Okay, so that the marination nicely gets incorporated into the masala. So after 20 minutes, here I am adding 1 cup of rice flour. Okay, normal rice flour. Then to this 3/4 cup of corn flour. Yes, this corn flour helps in making our gobis crispy. And I have added some salt also here. Okay, now let's mix everything well. You can add just very little water if needed, that too. Here I am adding just around 3 spoons of water, that's it. Okay. Now our gobi has got nicely mixed. It's coated nicely with the masala. Now it is ready to go to frying. So for frying, here I have kept a pan and some oil to heat. So let's check. Yes, our oil has got nice and hot. So now it's time to put all the gobis. Okay, we have to fry on a medium flame. Okay, it should not be very high or very low. It's medium to high flame. Okay, fry it nicely for around 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes golden brown in color, and it has to get nice and crisp. Okay, I think our first batch of gobis is done, so I'm taking it out. It has got nice and crisp. Okay, here goes in the next batch. Remember to fry on a medium flame for around 4 minutes approximately. And finally, I am just frying some curry leaves into the pan in the same hot oil. This is just to garnish with it. And next here I am adding some green chilies. This is again optional. If you want more spicy, if you like more spicy, you can do this step and enjoy it with the gobis. Okay, now everything is ready. So now our gobi 65 or the crispy gobi is ready to serve. I have just added some chopped raw onions on the top of it. So I hope you like this recipe. Please do try and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.